up again, YouTube? It's your girl Leah Troutman, and today I'll be doing the multi-talented thing. But yes, today I'll be cooking. So this is what you're gonna need: scrambled eggs. So yeah, as you can see, I got some eggs. You don't have to have these eggs, but just get some eggs. Do not boil them. Do not. You need some cheese, and you need some butter. You need a pan to cook with. You need a stove, and you need a knife and stuff. So first, you get the bowl. See, I have a pretty nice bowl. Go and bring it over there so I can see when you do it. If y'all wondering why I can cook, my mom's a chef. Yes, y'all, like, she's so young, why is she cooking? Well, my mom's a chef. So, take, an egg, crack the egg. Just crack the egg. I'm not going to be even nice. Act like y'all stupid. Y'all stupid. So, I'm using 3 eggs because it's only for me. Nobody here that there's nobody here that wants some. I'm the only one that wants some. So I make it. I'm going to use 3 eggs. So now take the little mixer thing. If y'all can't see it, yeah. How should move that over there? So stir it. Make sure you get it real nice and get the yellow yolks turn into that delicious color that you want it. So again, really beastie at cooking. I've been cooking since I was 7 years old. Yes, really young, and now I'm 13, so it's harder. Actually, I'm not too young to cook, but anyway, I'm only 13, but still. So, you cook it. So, you want it to get a nice yellow color for it to fully be yellow. You got a little bit of clear in it, that's okay. Next, you want to go over it. You want to go over to you want to put it in hand, get a nice clear pan, and put the thing on the little, what's this called? Okay. Anyway, the little knob thing. Take the butter. I do this with the butter. Some people cut it, you can do whatever you want. But, get that nice and buttery. Then you want to take this bowl. Be careful walking under my floor is buttery. So you might want to take it up a little bit if it's not, right where you want it. It really doesn't matter. I use 6. I'm not allowed to go over 6 because my mom don't want her house caught in the fire. But yeah, I don't. Put the butter all over the pan. Make sure you get it on the fast food. I make sure I don't have egg stuck to my thing. So my next video, I will be doing it on diet Easter eggs. It's gonna be real fun. I have a lot of people that want to join in it, and it's gonna be really cool to watch. I have a lot of people, like, well, there'll be 4 of us. We'll make it Easter eggs, cause, well, Easter, but yeah. So yeah, tune into that. I have another channel. It's called Renata Freeman Harris. Tune into that channel. Watch it, like it, subscribe to it, and keep it going. So what you want to do is you want to take your little whatever you're using and go just start playing with it, like moving it around and stuff, you know, because you don't want to sit in one place, because that'll just burn your pan. So again, my mom's a chef, my dad's a rapper, so multi-talented. I can sing. I'm actually going to Kappa. Yes, I am in Pennsylvania, but I'm going to Kappa next year for performing arts. So I can sing, dance, and I'm going to another school where after that I'm going to my college is going to be like a cooking / music school. So I forget what it's called, but I know already I'm going to it because my mom said I'm going to it. And my mom's mentoring me about stuff like that. So you want to get it to us really, really grumpy. You want some grumpy eggs. Yeah, if yours is just sliding off, that means that you did it right. If yours is getting stuck to the pan a lot, I mean, it's going to get stuck to the pan regardless, depending on what pan you get. But if it's stuck to it a lot, that means you did something wrong. You didn't put enough butter. You put a little bit of butter. You didn't put butter on it. But either way, you would have done it wrong if you didn't listen to my instructions. Some people are like, oh, why would I listen to a little kid? She's only 13. Well, I'm 13, smart, and I have a job. So now you take the cheese. Take the cheese, make sure it's still on the thing. Turn the thing off for a second while you put the cheese on it. If you don't want to change the temperature while you're cooking, that's just stupid. While you're cooking. It was bugging me to say that. But anyway. So yes, I only cooked a little bit because, like I said, some of just me eat it. Well, everybody else is upstairs playing on their electronics. I'm down here playing on my electronics, making me breakfast. I'm making a pretty, now you want to turn it back on. Making a pretty late breakfast. You want to really get that cheese mixed up. So if you can see it, yeah, that's how it looks. Has the cheese. It actually looks delicious in real life. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I'm getting a new phone, so I'm going to update y'all my new channel after when I get my new phone. I'm on my computer right now. Fresh Tab Red. Yeah, I got the Viking Pro, which y'all talk about. Talk about my parents cheap. My dad's a rapper. Yeah, y'all understand what I mean. Y'all understand what I mean. So, yeah. About to try it. Really good. but they real good. Might want to take salt and pepper, add a little flavor. So take the salt and pepper, you know, so you do a little salt and pepper on it. Get that flavor, that good vibe going. So yeah. So yeah, that's how you usually that's how you make eggs, and I'll make an Easter one where we boil the eggs and everything. You'll see that one. That's gonna be really fun. And so like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And the videos will be better, I promise. They get better every time. So yeah. Toodles!